We're checking into Solaire kasi ito seda to eh.
Hindi tayo pa madaan.
We're going on 27th floor.
Ang bilis.
We're very high. I'm gonna go to 27th floor. Tama ba tong ating tinatahak? 2715 ba?
Tama na.
Yeah.
Ayan, it's just heavy.
Oh, I thought we have a long sofa, but it's just such a short sofa.
Ano lang to eh. Deluxe lang. Hindi ka.
Oh. Ay, it's not nice. Oh. The view is very amazing.
Is it?
Yeah, from here, it's a city view. Wow. Look.
That's
Wow.
not a bad view.
No, it's nice. It's not a bad view. It's not. It's not. I can TikTok now.
I like the decor.
Wow. Mamaya tayo mag-Netflix.
Video o ano?
Picture.
Ay, ang ganda ng camera.
Here. And the view is so outstanding. Look. We only have to buy 1 kilo. And it's so nice. That one bed is for Katga. And yeah. Come over. This is the bathroom which ang mahal ng bayad.
Review.
Yeah.
Revamp up.
Check nga kung malinis, anak. Kasi malabo yung mata ko. You have to check kasi mahal yung binayad natin.
Well, it looks clean, yeah.
Di pa sa Hong Kong pinalinis ko pa sa kanila.
It looks clean naman.
Malinis naman siya. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is okay. Where's the bathtub? That's it.
Ito ba ito?
Maganda. Wow. So nice.
It's nicer than ano.
Sa
Sa Conrad.
Conrad. Yeah. Pwede mo na. Hindi ka naman makukunan eh. The complimentary from Solaire. I'm opening it.